Guys, so this is collecting like terms. It's just the same process as normal numbers and letters, but we've got a squared. That's the only difference. So don't be frightened. I know you hate maths, but I'm going to show you to do this as easily as I possibly can. So, quite a long one. 6x squared plus 7x minus 2x squared plus 9x. Said that nice and fast. So we're collecting like terms. So let's put our like terms together. So we have 6x squared and we have a minus 2x squared. And if you know by watching my videos, you will know by now that whatever is attached to this letter here stays with it. So that plus is stuck to that 7x. So that negative is stuck to that 2x squared. Okay, really important to know. So we know 6x squared subtract 2x squared, say that right, gives us 4x squared. And what have we got left? We've got 7x plus 9x. I stress plus because the plus is attached to this 9x. Which is 16x. And then you put it all together. And your answer is 4x squared plus 16x. That's your answer. Now, general rule of thumb is you put the biggest numbers at the beginning because it just looks easier. So you've got an x squared there. So we've got an x squared. We're going to put the x squared at the front. If we've got an x cubed, we'll put the x cubed at the front, then the x squared, and so on and so forth. Just makes it look tidier. So we'll do this again. What have we got? We've got a negative 3y squared, and we have a plus 8y squared. So we're going to have minus 3y squared plus, because it's attached, plus 8y squared, which gives us it gives us 5y squared. Next one is 4y minus 7y, which gives us negative 3y. And we put it all together. We have 5y squared. Subtract 3y. There you go. You've collected the like terms and you've simplified it. This is simplifying it as well, yeah? Won't go too much into that because at this point, if you're watching this video, you would understand what simplifying is. So the next one, same again. We have, let's look for the biggest numbers there. Okay, so we have 5x squared subtract 3x squared, which gives us 2x squared. Then we have 4xy plus 9xy, which gives us 13xy. Put it all together, 2x squared plus 13xy. There you go. Nice and tidy now, isn't it? We've collected the like terms and we've simplified it down. It's very nice. So we go on to the next one. So we have negative 9y squared. Not a plus, sorry. Oh, it is a plus, sorry. Yeah, 5y squared. I should have left more space in between. I'm getting confused myself. So that's minus 9 plus 5 equals this negative 4y squared. Then we have 12yx minus 9xy. And it doesn't matter which way these are, it's still an x and a y. It's just written differently. Y and an x and a y. Which gives us 3xy. We put it together. 3xy subtract 4y squared. Now, as you can see, this is not at the front, like I've encouraged you to do there. That's because it's a negative. So it looks a lot tidier like that. Next one. So, okay, so we've got 5 terms. So we're going to do what we got. We've got 7x squared minus 11x squared. That's the only ones, I think. Yeah. Which gives us 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, which is minus 4x squared. Okay, we sorted those out. So now we have the x and the y. So we have minus 5xy plus 9xy, which equals minus 5 plus 9 is 4xy. Okay, so we've got one extra thing here. We've got a plus 2. Now, we haven't got any other numbers to add or to subtract, so we just leave it as it is. So the answer is 4xy subtract 4x squared plus 2. Because we've only got one number. You can't do anything with it. So you just add it on. You just add it on. So moving on to another couple of questions. Another same, very similar. But the question would just ask you to simplify it. Which is practically what we've just been doing on those other ones. So I'm going to change the pen colour because that looks very blurred. Can't even work out where the question is. But I don't really want to record it again. Okay, so simplify. So let's collect our like terms. We have a 7x squared plus 10x squared which equals 17x squared. And then we have negative 5x, negative 2x, which equals minus 7x. So we are left with 17x squared minus 7x. Nice and easy, really, after doing all those questions, isn't it? Okay, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms in. Let's give it another go. So what have we got? Let's do our squares. We've got 2y squared minus 4y squared That's it for them. Which gives us 2 minus is going to be minus 2y squared. Okay, so then we have 5xy plus 4xy. Which equals 9xy. And what we've got left over is just 5y. There's nothing to add to it. There's no other y's in there. It literally is just plus 5y. So the answer will be, in total, we have 9xy. Subtract 2y squared. Plus, because it's a plus and it's attached, 5y. Yeah, that is pretty much as difficult as it can get, really. Once you know the basics, it doesn't matter what the index number is or negatives or pluses. As long as you understand that, what I've just taught you, you could do anything, really. Well, I hope this helps. Yeah, goodbye.